Out in the vast Arizona desert, where temperatures soar and the terrain pushes both humans and machines to their limits, one place stands out as the ultimate testing ground for military innovation. This is Yuma Proving Ground, one of the most demanding environments on Earth for evaluating the strength, durability, and performance of modern military technology. And today, we're diving into what really happens when cutting-edge systems are put to the test here. Imagine endless stretches of sand, scorching heat that can exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and conditions that simulate some of the harshest battlefields in the world. This is not just a test site, it's a proving ground in the truest sense of the word. Every piece of equipment brought here is pushed to its breaking point. Because in real combat, failure is not an option. At Yuma, testing begins long before any trigger is pulled or engine is started. Engineers and military specialists carefully design scenarios that mimic real-world combat conditions. Whether it's armored vehicles, artillery systems, drones, or advanced ammunition, everything is subjected to rigorous trials. These tests are not just about whether something works, but whether it works under extreme stress. One of the most critical aspects of testing here is environmental endurance. Equipment is exposed to blistering heat during the day and cooler temperatures at night, creating a cycle that can weaken materials over time. Dust and sand are constant enemies, creeping into every mechanical component. If a system can survive Yuma, it can survive almost anywhere. When it comes to weapons testing, precision is everything. High-speed cameras, radar tracking systems, and advanced sensors are used to capture every detail of a projectile's flight. Engineers analyze trajectory, velocity, impact force, and accuracy. Even the smallest deviation can lead to improvements in design. This level of detail ensures that when these systems are deployed, they perform exactly as intended. But it's not just about firing weapons, it's about understanding their behavior in real conditions. For example, how does a projectile react to strong desert winds? How does extreme heat affect explosive materials? These are the kinds of questions that only a place like Yuma can answer. Vehicles undergo equally intense testing. Tanks, armored personnel carriers, and tactical trucks are driven across rough terrain designed to simulate battlefield conditions. They climb steep inclines, navigate rocky paths, and endure constant vibration. Every bump and impact is recorded and analyzed. The goal is simple: ensure that these vehicles can carry soldiers safely and effectively, no matter where they are deployed. Mobility testing is especially crucial. In combat, the ability to move quickly and efficiently can mean the difference between success and failure. At Yuma, vehicles are pushed to their limits, accelerating, braking, and maneuvering in conditions that challenge even the most advanced designs. Engineers look for weaknesses in suspension systems, engine performance, and overall durability. Another key area of testing is communication and electronic systems. Modern warfare relies heavily on technology, and any disruption can have serious consequences. At Yuma, these systems are tested for reliability in extreme conditions. Signals are monitored for interference, and equipment is evaluated for its ability to maintain connectivity under stress. This ensures that soldiers can rely on their gear when it matters most. Drone technology has also become a major focus at the proving ground. Unmanned aerial systems are tested for flight stability, range, and surveillance capabilities. Operators simulate missions that involve reconnaissance, target tracking, and even coordination with ground forces. The harsh desert environment provides a perfect backdrop for evaluating how these drones perform in real-world scenarios. Live fire exercises are perhaps the most intense part of testing at Yuma. These scenarios bring together multiple systems, vehicles, weapons, and personnel, in coordinated operations. The goal is to see how everything works together as a unified force. Timing, communication, and precision are all critical factors. These exercises provide valuable insights into how equipment performs in actual combat situations. Safety is always a top priority during these tests. Strict protocols are in place to protect personnel and ensure that every operation is conducted responsibly. Despite the high-risk nature of the work, the focus remains on controlled, measurable outcomes. Every test is carefully planned and executed to gather the most accurate data possible. What makes Yuma truly unique is its ability to replicate a wide range of environments. While the desert is the primary setting, testing scenarios can be adjusted to simulate different terrains and conditions. This flexibility allows engineers to prepare equipment for deployment anywhere in the world, from arid deserts to rugged mountain regions. The data collected at Yuma is invaluable. After each test, engineers analyze the results in detail, looking for ways to improve performance. This process often leads to design changes, upgrades, and new innovations. It's a continuous cycle of testing and refinement that drives technological advancement. Behind every successful test is a team of dedicated professionals. Engineers, technicians, and military personnel work together to ensure that every aspect of the operation runs smoothly. Their expertise and attention to detail are what make Yuma one of the most respected testing facilities in the world. The importance of this work cannot be overstated. The equipment tested here is used by soldiers in real combat situations. Lives depend on its reliability and effectiveness. By pushing these systems to their limits at Yuma, the military can identify and address potential issues before they become critical problems in the field. Innovation is at the heart of everything that happens here. New technologies are constantly being developed and tested, from advanced materials to cutting-edge weapon systems. Yuma provides a platform for these innovations to be evaluated under the toughest conditions imaginable. As warfare continues to evolve, so does the testing process. Emerging threats require new solutions, and Yuma plays a key role in developing those solutions. Whether it's countering drones, improving armor protection, or enhancing communication systems, the work done here helps shape the future of military technology. For viewers watching this, it's easy to see the explosions, the vehicles, and the high-tech equipment and think of it as just another demonstration. But behind every test is a deeper purpose. It's about ensuring that those who serve have the best possible tools to do their job safely and effectively. And that's what makes Yuma Proving Ground so important. It's not just a place where equipment is tested, it's where confidence is built. Confidence that the technology will perform when it's needed most. Confidence that every system has been pushed beyond its limits and proven to be reliable. So the next time you see footage of a powerful weapon system or a rugged military vehicle in action, remember where it was tested. Remember the extreme conditions, the detailed analysis, and the relentless pursuit of perfection that went into making it battle-ready. Because out here in the unforgiving desert, only the best survive the test. And if it passes at Yuma, it's ready for anything.